I'm gonna show you real quick how I'm making a cheap, inexpensive press brake for my shop press. I've got about 16 inches to work with in my shop press. So cut this and everything else at 16 inches, two pieces of 2-inch by 1/4-inch thick angle iron. And we're gonna clamp this down and weld it to this. When you're doing this, make sure this is clamped down real good. Another thing, don't weld anything in here. We'll stitch that up here in a little bit on this end, but we want to make sure that this is clamped down real good so we don't get any warping or lifting. All right, now here is where we're just going to put a weld right here and weld these together. Same thing over here on this end. All right, I forgot to talk while I was working here, but all I'm doing here, I took another piece of identical angle iron, flipped it over, laid it down in there. And then I took a piece of 1/4-inch plate, cut it 16 inches, and stuck it in there straight. What you're seeing me do here is just getting that pretty much level straight up and down, and we're gonna weld that in place. All right, I forgot to record my little manufacturing process of this, but ideally you would wanna use a circular tube right here that would fit on the post of your press. I didn't have any tube, so I used a piece of square stock, and then I actually had to do a little filler work inside. Threaded it so I can put a couple bolts in there, tighten it down. I'm gonna weld this up. I'll show it to you guys when it's on the press. All right, now we'll just tighten our little locks up. This is gonna push in on the press. Okay, now if we release this, that should come back up. Just like that. All right, for the first press, I'm just gonna try to bend a piece of 1/4-inch. Let's see what happens. Not terrible, honestly. All right, for proof of concept and free material, I have nothing but just a couple hours of work putting this thing together. That's gonna come in real useful. I'll dial it in a little bit more, but that right there, the way it is, gonna come in pretty useful. Guys, if you wanna make one of these, just follow along with this dumbass video. See you guys.